to Moms on the Go. Today we are making Southern fried French toast. And for the family, we will be making somewhere around 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces of Southern fried French toast. And let's keep in mind, for each egg, it is 2 slices of Southern fried French toast. So we're making 2, 4, 8, so we'll need 4 eggs. And we are using Mrs. Baird's large bread. And within the eggs mixture, we will put a dab of milk, Borden's 2% milk, and we will put a teaspoon of sugar and beat the eggs. Get them good and liquefied. Make sure your yolks are very separated and runny. If not, you will have less quantity of slices of Southern French toast you can make. Okay, we will put a dab of cooking oil. Make sure your surface is well oiled. And we do have this on medium. It will vary on gas stoves, electric stoves. And I may have to tweak it down. We'll see. And just bathe your slices of bread into the egg mixture. Get a good drain off so it won't be too soggy in the middle. A lot of restaurants you go to, they're very soggy. You have to not let it sit in the egg mixture too long. The consistency of the bread soaks it up and it gets very soggy. All right. And we just let each side go for a few minutes, golden brown. We'll see if we have to adjust our temperature, because no one likes burnt Southern fried French toast. Once you get the bubbling effect pretty much around the edges of the toast, that's an indication of a very good golden brown Southern fried French toast. Okay, now let's make sure we're not sticking and check the golden brown. It's looking very nice. Go ahead and flip over. Okay, we'll check our other sides. Looking very nice and golden brown. We'll just leave them on there a minute or so. Okay, so we're at the completion of our southern fried French toast. Now please keep in mind, some people like in your egg mixture, they like a little cinnamon, but in our household, we don't care for the cinnamon in our egg mixture. And some individuals likes a little granulated sugar on the French toast. Like so. And other individuals may like a little powdered sugar, sifted powdered sugar. Like so. And there you have it, your southern fried French toast from Moms on the Go. Have a great